name is Jennifer Shanahan, and this is my daughter, Caitlin Shanahan.
Hi, I'm Caitlin Shanahan.
And we have been coming to the practice since Caitlin was little. She had an overbite since she was born, an underbite since she was born. Now it's an overbite. We're quite happy. She had an underbite when she was born and had always wanted to have it fixed since she was the age of 5, asking the dentist, "Can you please fix this?" And they didn't know what to do, and we were luckily referred here. And here we are now. She is 16. She had her surgery, and she is doing wonderful, and it has absolutely changed her life. She is the happiest kid I've ever seen and has more confidence in herself, and the staff here has been wonderful, and we're so blessed to have come here. So
May 10th is the date I'm getting my braces off finally after about six and a half years. So it's been a journey, and I'm so happy for these people. They've really touched me. It's awesome.
So thank you, Cool Smiles.
Thank you.